Hi, I'm Becky. I am a sales rep and CA signer, and today we were able to tour the OC facility in Medina, and we had a great time. I'm going to share with you a few of the takeaways that we have from today's experience.
My name is Lindsay. I am a chairperson for the Women of Lifetime, also a file reviewer within the company as well. Lifetime Quality Roofing has quickly become one of the top contractors in the United States with Owens Corning backing us. We work very closely together. They invited us here today to learn a little bit more and to help us to understand what it is that we do within the industry, how important all of the trade secrets are and everything that they do, and really reinforce why we've chosen this brand to back our company.
My name is Katie. I am in the customer experience department at Lifetime. I actually learned a lot of how it's made. The whole process happens so quickly, but so efficient. I was amazed at how fast and how many shingles they can make a minute.
I'm Sonia. I'm in the accounts payable department. When I was married to my first husband, I actually helped him tear off a roof and put shingles on, so it was kind of interesting to see the actual how they were made. And I think that everybody that hosted this did a wonderful job for us today.
Who are the Women of Lifetime to you in your own words?
Medina Ohio Lifetime is a support group within a male-dominated industry. Just here to support each other, help us, further our goals, our careers, just support and grow.